Hello, good day engineers. So meron tayong tutorial again about trigonometry. So the problem is two vertical buildings are 60 meters apart. From a point midway between them, the angles of elevation to their tops are 30 and 45 degrees. Find the height of the building. So before natin to sagutan, i-plug lang natin yung mga pages natin kung saan natin ina-upload yung mga tutorials natin. So meron tayong Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. So please do like, follow, and share na rin yung mga pages natin to your classmates and friends na engineering students. So sagutan natin ito. So this is an application of a right triangle, particularly dun sa relationship ng given angle, and the lengths nung side ng ating right triangle. So sabi doon, meron tayong dalawang building na 60 meters yung layo. So ito siya, yung layo niya. Dati na kasing may image kaya nilagay ko lang din. And sabi dito, from a point midway between them, so meaning to say, pwede nating gawin, so yung object natin nasa pagitan ng dalawang building, so meaning to say, pwede kong hatiin yung distance from here, dun sa center, tapos dito sa malit na building, that is 30 meters. Tama? And ganun din dito sa malaking building that is also 30 meters. So kung mapapansin natin, meron tayong nabuong right triangle. So dalawang right triangle siya. So una, ito, ayan. Tapos pangalawa ay ito naman. Okay? Doon muna tayo sa maliit na right triangle. So i-redraw natin para mas makita natin. So una, ito muna, yung maliit. So, ito yung ano natin. So ito yung angle natin na 30 degrees. So sulat ko lang 30 degrees. And then hinahanap natin yung height na to. So i-ano natin to, labelan ko na lang ito na height number 1. And then itong kay malaking building naman, this is height number 2. Okay? So denote ko to as height number 1. Since sabi nga natin, halfway yung object natin, so meaning to say, ang length naman nito is 30 meters. So paano natin masasagot yan? So gamit na relationship dito sa right triangle na given ang length ng sides, tapos meron tayong particular na angle. Ang pinakasikat na ginagamit natin dito ay si SOHCAHTOA. Tama po ba? So lagay natin SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so meaning to say sin theta is equals to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Ilagay na lang din natin para meron tayong notes. So ibaba natin to. So that is sin theta equals to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. And then, yung ka naman, so that is cosine theta is equals to the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. So, baba pa natin to. And then, lastly, yung TOA naman, so that is tangent. Tangent theta is equals to the opposite divided by the adjacent. Okay, so given tayo ng 30 degrees angle, so dito na po tayo. Given tayo ng 30 degrees angle, so magiging ano natin siya, parang point of view natin, ano? And then, ang hinahanap natin si age 1 or height 1. Then, meron tayong isang leg na 30 meters. Automatic, alam naman natin na right triangle. So, this is a 90 degree angle. Okay? So, meaning to say, ito yung tinatawag natin na hypotenuse. Opposite nung 90-degree angle. So, siya yung longest side ni right triangle. So, alam na natin na yun yung hypotenuse. Ano naman yung tawag kaya kay edge 1? So, that is opposite naman. And then, yung katabi ng angle natin, that is the adjacent. So, given ka ng opposite, given ka ng adjacent, since ang hinahanap natin is edge 1, so that is, ano yun? O and A, opposite divided by the adjacent. So, that is tangent theta. So, that is tangent 30 degrees equals to edge 1 divided by 30 meters. So, meaning to say, edge 1 now is simply cross multiply 30 times tangent 30. So, this is 30 tangent of 30 degrees. And that is 10 square root of 3 or 17.32 meters. So, ito ngayon yung height ni maliit na building, 17.32 meters. Okay, so dako naman tayo dito sa ating malaking building. I-redraw lang natin para mas madali nating maunawaan. So, ganito siya. So, ito naman yung ating 45 degrees. And meron tayong given na 30 meters. Tapos, ito si ating H2. So, automatic, ito yung ating 90-degree angle. So, ito naman ngayon si hypotenuse. So, alam na natin na yan yung hypotenuse. Meaning to say, yung opposite kay 45 degrees, siya si H2. And yung katabi niya na angle, that is the adjacent. So, opposite and adjacent ang given. So, meaning to say, gagamit ulit tayo ng tangent theta. So, this is tangent 45 equals to the opposite, which is H2, divided by 30 meters. So, makukuha natin the height number 2. Cross multiply lang natin si 30 kay tangent 45. So, that is tangent 30 tangent of 45. So, that is 30 meters. So, the answer is 17.32 meters and 30 meters. So, that's all. Sana meron tayong natutunan, and kung meron tayong questions and clarifications sa ating mga tutorials, please message lang po kayo sa ating FB page. And I hope kita-kits po tayo sa mga next tutorials natin. So, God bless you, engineers.